Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya and we are discussing about AVEVA PDMS 12. In this video, we will be discussing about the last section of your structures. Okay, in structure module, we will find access stairs and ladders as a last section. Okay, so this basically gives you to build a platforms, build the handrails, then stairs and ladders to give the access around your plant. Okay, so generally the initial things for ASL are very important from the administrator point of view, the height of your stairs, the gap between two stairs. So those all things will be done by the administrator. Those things will be fixed by the administrator, and then you can come to designing and start designing. So right now what we are going to learn is how to put those stairs and access and platform into design with a default setting. Okay, because we are not learning administrator here. So whatever default settings are, we are trying to utilize best of it. And whenever you open the structure ASL, there is a ASL toolbar which is active. So let us find how this toolbar works. First is basically units. So if you are using empirical, that is inches, you will go with the empirical settings. If you are using metrics, you can metric format, you can go with the metric format. And then after that, there are various buttons which are available, that is create a stair tower, create ladder, create handrail, okay, and modify options also. So create and modify options basically gets into the toolbar. And for a structure of PDMS, that is design explorer, where you can store this ASLs, that is same as all the structures. You first have to create a zone, then structure, and then framework to store your data. So here I have a zone in which I have created a basic structure and in which I will be creating my framework. Okay, so that is how you can create any ASL in your system. Now whenever you open the ASL, or whenever you open any of the things, that is, let's say create platform, if I open a create platform, create platform tool will open on your right hand side, and you're creating, modifying and deleting all the options can be done from this toolbar. Okay, you can just access this toolbar and you can see create, modify and delete options for the platform. If you say exit, the toolbar will be closed. Okay, so all these things you can do it from the toolbar, you can do it from the menu also. Okay, but we generally go for a toolbar, which is handy option, and it basically shows you what will be your next step to create the platform or create a stairs. Okay, so these are the basic things which we need to understand. In the coming videos, we will be talking about how to create platforms, stairs and ladders and so on. Okay, so if you like my content on my channel, do subscribe my channel, follow for the latest content, and do share a word with your friends who are interested to learn AVEVA PDMS. Thank you for joining.